Morning, guys. We're doing a little mod today, a little interior upgrade. Now you're gonna have to bear with me. I got off at like 1 a.m. and my boy woke me up at 8, something like that. So I'm a little tired, haven't had enough caffeine yet, but I was also kind of excited to wake up and do this. So I ordered, shout out to Dave at, here I'll show you, at Clusters by LivinItUp. So I ordered the premium, like the Lariat Platinum, whatever, gauge cluster with the 8-inch screen. Some of you guys have seen my car ABC Sync 3 12-inch upgrade video, and the factory gauges just look kind of janky, comparatively speaking. So I figured, why not upgrade these to kind of go along with the screen and just kind of refresh the interior. Now, I've mentioned this in the past. You guys have seen my truck if you're here, most likely. And it's a 2020. I've got like 56,000 miles on it. Truck's in immaculate shape. I know I might have to put a new 10-speed in this thing at some point, but I just can't bring myself to spend 50 grand on a newer XLT. I like the XLT trims. I mean, I say that, but I've upgraded everything in this to include leather or whatever. But I just can't bring myself to replace this thing yet. It drives good, it looks good. I've got the MPT tune, I've got some interior upgrades and stuff, so I just can't justify it. So every now and then I'm like, yeah, I'll freshen this thing up a bit, you know, do a little OEM Plus mod. That's what we're doing today. So ordered this on last Friday, whatever date that was, a week ago today. And you probably can't see it because there's a pretty good reflection. I'll come closer to the camera here in a sec. So I ordered this Friday, and Dave said, oh yeah, it'll be here mid-late next week. Okay, cool, no big deal. Like the shipping was awesome. So when you order it from them, you put in what you think your odometer is going to be at when you're ready to install this thing. It came Monday, so I had to drive extra all week just to get it to where the mileage will match. So you'll see when we plug this in, the mileage on this is the exact same as what the truck currently has on it. So let me show you guys this. So hopefully you can see. They're the premium gauges, the big 8-inch screen in the middle, and I'll show you how to install this and how these things will look. All right, guys, so the first step in this process, this is you're gonna pull this down, and let me see if I need to grab hey buddy. I don't wanna pull it down too far just because I've got my aftermarket lighting. I've got the switches plugged into it. I don't wanna pull them too tight, just like I just did, nailed it. Okay, then we're gonna grab 2 7mm, undo these, and then we just kind of have to pull everything apart. I'll show you that. All right, so we'll go ahead and undo these 2 7mm. There's one on the right side too. These are pretty easy to see, and here's why. They're a really unique color. They're like a copper. All right, so we'll put these to the side. And just to show you guys before I swap this over, he programmed it to my engine hours and everything. So 56,450, that's what the old screen looks like, just small. Nothing to write home about. I mean, it has some cool graphics and stuff on it, so I'll show you guys the next step. All right, guys, so sorry, this is a little bit out of order. For some reason, I didn't hit record or hit stop recording. I don't know what the issue was. Like I said, I told you I'm moving kind of slow today. So when you pull this down, there's this piece right here that's connected to your steering column with the fake leather crap. This pulls up, and you can just kind of set it up here. And then this bezel, just this part, and it goes around all this here. You're going to undo that. And I think when you pull this down, I told you about the bronze or brass or whatever, copper, whatever color screws those are. Those undo this. So all you do, take the 2 screws out, which I did show that, pull this off, and then you can pull this out, and there's 4 7mm around the outside of the gauge cluster. So there's one like here, one down here, and one down there. So you'll undo those, and the gauge cluster will just pull out, and you just unplug it. So I'll kind of show you that real quick. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. Oh, I left a tool in here. Like I said, there's 4 7mm. And then down here, there's little guide pins, so you really can't screw this up. So when you get the replacement cluster in, the guide pin will go through here, and then there's a 7mm on each side of that. And then it's just one plug on these. Super easy. So I just wanted to add that little tidbit since for whatever reason my video got screwed up. All right, guys, so we got the new gauge cluster in. Everything looks like it's turning on. The mileage matches. The screen lights up. So everything, you know, like I said, my mileage is right. Everything looks right. We have no warning lights. So obviously the check engine light's on because the truck's not running. I'm going to go ahead and button this up. You guys don't need to see the reassembly process just because it was super easy. I'm going to go ahead and slap this back together, and we'll kind of go over the screen and what the differences are. All right, first startup. So I'm going to back this out, crank the AC, because it is a muggy morning. You can probably see all the rain on the vehicles when I was moving them. So here, let me back you out, and then we'll go through the screens. And holy crap, these things look so good together. So your factory buttons and stuff will work with these. So you can go through and change all the screens and stuff. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to mess with this because I don't know where these, oh, this is gonna be on my view, so I don't need a trip to. So I'm gonna have to go through these screens. Give me just a minute. I'm gonna go through here and get these set up, and then I'll kind of show you what's what. This thing just looks so much nicer in here. So, like I said, I got this from Dave at LivinItUp Clusters. Awesome guy to deal with, super quick shipping, great product. I think this was about $5.40 shipped because I didn't get any add-ons like upgraded needles or anything else like that. So, well worth it for as much difference as it makes, making the interior feel more premium. And now that I have the leather seats and the big screen and stuff, it's definitely a hit. So let's see, get some boost. Everything works, man. Got a little bit of boost there. It's kind of cool to see. Honestly though, I think your transmission temp with these 10 speeds is probably more beneficial, but I mean, turbos are cool. Come on. Who doesn't want to see how many PSI they have? Even though I've got it right here. Spinning tires. Love it. All right, well, hopefully you guys like that quick overview and what I think of the quality of this gauge cluster, how fast it was shipped. Like I said, it looks freaking brand new, and how much more premium the interior looks. So please like and subscribe if you want to see any other videos or anything like that. I don't know what I'm doing next. You know, I've got pretty much everything I want to do on this truck. I know I always say that, and then in a couple weeks I'll be like, oh, this is cool, I got to get this. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.